Hi there. I'm here today at Bunkie Life headquarters. We're here to look at different models of their bunkies to get ideas as to what we can do. We have an opportunity to put up a building, and we want something that can be done very quickly and at a reasonable cost. And these things do fit the bill. So we've got a great showing and got a lot of questions answered. And it's not until you see the thing firsthand that you even get prompted to think about things like where you need weather stripping or caulking or extra insulation or whatever. So I would encourage everyone considering buying a bunkie to make the effort to come visit. And I hope you all enjoy your bunkie when you get one. Take care.